Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I will be assembling this Cheezy full-sized gaming chair. All right, well, here we go. Oh, that lumbar thing is really nice right there. It's perfect. Put this little pillow and it's like right on your neck. These armrests, they're really comfortable. It's like perfect size, has a little contour for it, fits right there. That is nice. We also have this little lever right here if you want to go. Whoa. So still comfy. You can adjust this to wherever you want, whatever your gaming comfort is, but lots of room here. Super cushy. Actually, this is really comfortable. You can adjust the height, lower it or raise it up. And then this also, if you want it to rock back, you can, or lock it in place. So just like that. And you can adjust that with the screw here on the bottom if you want it looser or something, so it's easier to tilt back. But with the way that this reclines, I like how this lumbar is like spring loaded. It pushes like perfectly right on the small of the back, and you just rotate around. Really nice chair, very comfortable, good size, and like I love the green accents on there with the stitching. Looks really nice with this. So very comfortable gaming chair, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. You'll have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.